2026 Toyota Sequoia doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It's big, it's capable, and it's unapologetically ready for the real world. The one with sandy shoes, packed coolers, and a back seat full of laughter. Call it premium, call it powerful, call it a full-size SUV that respects both grit and grace. With a lineup that spans from the SR5 and Limited to Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro, and Capstone. Each one offers a different flavor of freedom. For early risers, for map ditchers, for crews that chase peaks and coastlines more than calendar invites. Under the hood, the iForce Max hybrid system delivers 437 net combined horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. Not just numbers, but the kind of strength that handles elevation, distance, and everything in between. An available part-time four-wheel drive system pairs with an independent suspension and multi-link rear coil springs, providing stability on-road and off-map. A towing capacity of up to 9,520 pounds and max payload of 1,730 pounds means this SUV never leaves anything behind, no matter how essential the gear. Premium grades elevate the ride with an available adaptive variable suspension, technology that adjusts damping in real time to help smooth out changing road conditions. And when towing, the available load-leveling rear height control air suspension is designed to help keep the body level for added confidence and control. TRD packages bring purpose-built strength. TRD off-road packages offer Bilstein-tuned suspensions, while an electronically controlled locking rear differential is available for traction where it's needed most. With Fox shocks, the TRD Pro also includes a stabilizer bar, engineered for optimal stability on and off the road. Sequoia shows strength in its stance. A wide, grounded profile, presence without noise. A standard power moonroof or available panoramic glass roof opens the cabin to the world above. A standard flip-up rear window and available power extending tow mirrors add smart utility for long hauls and remote stops. Premium trims introduce refinement. Available 22-inch alloy wheels, chrome accented mesh grills, and automatic power extending running boards that lower like punctuation marks at the end of a bold sentence. Skid plates and matte black finished wheels come standard on TRD Pro and models equipped with the TRD off-road package. The TRD Pro leads with 18-inch BBS wheels, wrapped in all-terrain tires, dual-tip exhaust, and a blacked-out Heritage grille lit with an integrated LED bar and amber markers. Inside, Sequoia becomes the quiet between adventures. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster organizes key info in clean, legible layers. Standard 3-zone automatic climate control ensures comfort in every row, while the standard multi-level cargo shelf system adjusts easily to changing storage needs. Front seats offer power adjustment with available heating and ventilation. Premium grades also offer massaging functionality. On Platinum, 1794 Edition, and Capstone models, second-row captain's chairs add heating and ventilation for added comfort. On Capstone, shale premium textured leather trim and backlit genuine wood grain trim bring a new level of refinement. The 1794 Edition adds premium leather trim and exclusive laser-etched wood accents that nod to its Western heritage. Other available comforts include a heated steering wheel, head-up display, and wireless smartphone charging. A standard third row slides, reclines, and folds flat, giving flexible space for passengers, cargo, or both. TRD Pro and models equipped with the TRD Off-Road package retain trail readiness inside with a red TRD engine start button and a leather-wrapped shift knob. The TRD Pro dash badge reads simply, Toyota, Heritage by Design. Whether chasing quiet or curating the perfect playlist, Sequoia's cabin is built to match the mood. Toyota Audio Multimedia brings intuitive control through a standard 8-inch touchscreen or an available 14-inch display. Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. An available 14-speaker JBL premium audio system turns detours into playlists, road noise into rhythm. Connected Services trials complete the suite, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect, keeping the journey current without disruption. Preparedness isn't optional, it's integrated. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 comes standard, bringing a full range of assistance features, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and trailer merge warning extend the awareness. Front and rear parking assist with automatic braking are designed to help make tight space maneuvers feel more effortless. A standard panoramic view monitor is designed to help navigate tight spots, offering a bird's eye view. A multi-terrain monitor, standard on TRD Pro and available with the TRD Off-Road package, keeps eyes on angles not visible from the driver's seat. With Trailer Backup Guide, backing up a trailer becomes a breeze, making confident travels simple. The 2026 Sequoia doesn't just accommodate the journey, it honors it. Premium, powerful, and precisely engineered to carry more than passengers. It carries intention. Every new Sequoia comes with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, and 2 years of unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Sequoia Electrified Confidence follows with an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. The road can be uncertain, but the machine, solid as ever. Learn more at Toyota.com.